tiny plastic pellets, melt under high temperature, flow under high pressure, precisely fill every micron scale mold cavity structure. This is injection molding, from mobile phone housings to auto parts, and daily consumer goods you use every day, all rely on precise molding control time and again. Temperature, pressure, and holding time. Every parameter determines product quality. A seemingly simple plastic component may go through hundreds of machine adjustments, repeated mold trials, solely to achieve precise dimensions, flawless surfaces, and consistent mass production. The beauty of industry lies within these easily overlooked details. Injection molding is more than manufacturing. It represents the ultimate pursuit of stability and efficiency, an underrated precision art in the industrial landscape. So what factors affect the cost of injection molded products? First, molds. Molds are one-time capital investment. The higher the production volume, the lower the amortized mold cost per unit, resulting in reduced unit cost. Second, raw materials and processes. Raw material prices, post-processing procedures, secondary processing all directly impact the final cost. Third, automation level. The higher the automation level, the more stable the production efficiency, the lower the labor cost. Conversely, more manual labor is required. Fourth, quality specification. Technical requirements, including product tolerances, yield rate, and appearance standards, determine manufacturing difficulty and production costs. Premium injection molding manufacturing is not merely about production feasibility, but the ability to consistently deliver perfect details over the long term.